Okay. I don't know how to shoot an intro. Oh my god. Here's my first video. Technically second because I didn't upload the first one. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna be recreating this look. Oh yeah, I'm super excited. God, I'm so awkward. Okay. This is gonna be a little awkward because it's like I'm not used to this. Hopefully I get better at it. Do my eyebrows first. Okay, I was back. My eyebrows, no, they're not done because I'm gonna put on my foundation, but they are good for eyeshadow right now. Yeah, my James Charles palette. Aww. Okay, so I'm excited. Hello. God. Oh my god. I'm ready. Okay. Okay. Look, because I won't set it because I don't like to set it. Just gonna grab the color up. Real nice and party. And that's that hot pink color in the bottom right corner of the James Charles palette. What's the name of it? Oh my god. Hold up. There it is. Where it is. I found it. I have my palette box down there, so I found it. It's the little flappy thing that tells you the name. It's called Skip. I really need to learn these because I'm using these a lot because this is my favorite palette right now. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing this in there. She has her it's really high up, so because it's, yeah. You weren't going to tell me that my ear had hair on it? I know you saw it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now I'm going to cut it. Don't worry if it's not completely blended. I'm going to go back over it. Alright. So now we're going to set like the middle part of that line with white. Oh, I messed up. I forgot the most important step was not to just cut it, was to use the makeup wipe. And then I'm just so nervous, like, but we're gonna fix this. We got a way to fix this. It's all good in the hood. Here we go. We're gonna take my white Colourpop concealer. Grab your whitest concealer and you go over that. We're gonna add the glitter white. I kind of want to add actual glitter. I think she did too. Look at it. It looks like she added glitter. So we're gonna add glitter. So I'm back. And this is the part where it got off. So let's keep going. So basically, we just put flashback on top of our concealer. This time I did it right. You clean it with your makeup wipe and then you put this. Preferably use a white concealer. So basically we're just gonna do the bottom part. Okay. So now we're gonna put the glitter on. And the glitter is in my Eggs metallic and Lumi light. So It's so cute, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna take that, just sculpt it. Now we're just gonna clean up the edge right here.
You got that, 'cause I know I can treat you better than you. Appreciate all the money and the time that it takes. I got you, baby. And all the time we take us into different places. I will still be patient. I wanna feel you on.
Here we are. Okay, so basically all I did was finish bronzing, added pink blush, and then I started baking. So you have not missed a lot. Yeah. Oh, and I contoured my nose just a wee, just a little bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line. Okay, now we're ready to do the inside corner. So I'm gonna use my favorite palette of all time. This is the Colourpop brow gel. I love this stuff. It's the only one that'll get. Hey, so I went ahead and I put on my lashes as well. So now the only thing left to do is highlight.
My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. What you gonna do with that dessert? Because I'm free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future.
Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if I did good or not. God, I'm still awkward. Just figure it out as I go. And yeah. And then yeah. Peace out.